Welcome back, Hot Wheel Collectors and Diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Crib's Garage. Good Friday. Got a bunch of boxes to open for you. I know what most of them are. Stuff I've ordered online for my Fast and Furious series that I'm doing, showing you basically which Hot Wheels car, diecast car for each movie. So basically matching them, seeing if a Nissan Skyline GTR was actual car that was in the movie and things like that. So anyhow, I also got the last thing I'm going to open up is the special box from Jake from Strictly Diecast. Sent me a box, and I know one of the things that are in there, and yeah, we'll get through it. See, now there's some of you that aren't Fast and Furious fans, but there are a lot of you that are. So it's pretty neat to get. Actually, once I get the rest of the packages, this week I'll have every car for every movie, and I'll be able to finish the video. So here's from the Fast 5, the 2009 Nissan GTR. Of course, you'll get to know more about it when I do that episode. This is from Hot Wheels 2013. So yeah, I got some older stuff. Some of these were from eBay, some from Amazon, and some from Macari. There's a Subaru WRX STI, the Furious 7. So yeah, these will be all cracked open. You'll see them in the stories about each one. This is from 2017. So Hot Wheels started making these in 2013. And yeah, they've been going fairly strong ever since. This guy. The Lamborghini Murcielago. This is Faded Furious, and 2017 to 2018. Here's the 69 Ford Torino Talladega. This kind of, I don't know what color that is, gold or copper. And it's from Furious 7. 2020. actually the one I needed for my next video for Tokyo Drift. Not many cars Hot Wheels did for that movie, but this was the last piece I needed, so I will do that tomorrow, the Nissan Silvia. And this is from 2022. Alright, so that's for the Fast and Furious cars that I've ordered. Now we'll get to the box that Jake sent me here. Riding Pennsylvania to California. East side, west side. And yeah, crack it open and see what he got. It's a pretty hefty box. Put a sticker on there from Strictly Diecast. Or it could have been on there. Maybe he recycled this box. Nice note. Curbs, what's going on, brother? And hope all is well out there on the West Coast. Congrats on winning my first place 750 subscriber giveaway. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, that's right. I did win. And I'm stoked it went to... Oh, that's right. The... Yeah, I wanted that. I know that piece now. Okay, awesome. Person like you. Inside, you'll find your winnings along with a personal custom, especially for you, and some other goodies I thought you would enjoy. There's also a channel sticker to say thank you for the support and your friendship, and glad to have guys like you in this community while I stop rambling on, Led Zeppelin reference, and let you enjoy this box. Stay safe out there, bro, and happy hunting. Your Hot Wheels homie, Strictly Diecast. Jake, thank you, brother. Man, so stoked. That was a nice note. So let's see what we even start out at. Let's start out with the loose cars. I don't know what that is, but it's Beach Patrol. That's why he sent that. And he probably figured I rode the short bus to school. Got this Mopar Dodge van. Very cool. Oh, he knows I love El Caminos. That's an El Camino. Double check that. Yeah. No, Ranchero, which is funny because I actually had a Ranchero. It was my very first car, but I wanted an El Camino. Still sick. All right. And here's a Dodge Challenger drift car, which I just picked up from the Fast and Furious. Had a custom 53 Chevy for my lowrider collection. Fit right in there. Got a nice Skyline H2 2000 GTX. Oh, you're hitting all the buttons, or all the boxes, I guess I should say. You got lowriders, you got Japan, muscle car. Let's see, we got the time shifter. Oh, treasure hunt, look at that. Don't have too many of these. At least not any of the newer ones. That's awesome. Thanks, Jake. Oh, this is sick. Datsun 510 wagon in the neon speeders. This one's actually really cool. Stoked on that. Thanks, brother. Oh, you sent the fire. All right. So what kind of started this was I had bought the collection of, well, let's do this one at a time. The Star Wars. So I had 2 of 5. 3 of 5. 4 of 5. And 5 of 5, but I didn't have 1 of 5. And Jake saw the video when I picked those up. He said he thought he might have one in his area, and he did. And he found one. And so he held on to this, and he added it to the box of 59 deliveries. So now I've got the whole collection, and that's probably why, because of that guy right there. I didn't realize why it was so popular, because even to this day I still can't find them on the page. I see the rest of them, but not this one. So super stoked on that. And then down to the meat and potatoes. There we go. That's my winning for the contest, and it's so funny. I was watching it when it happened, and I couldn't even believe it. I was like, no way, because it couldn't have been really more perfect, because I sent Jake a t-shirt. He was wearing a Led Zeppelin shirt, the Swan Song, and I sent him one of my event shirts that had the same kind of artwork on it. I don't know if you guys ever saw that video of his. And then I ended up, of course, winning this, which is, I'm a Volkswagen drag bus guy. I love Led Zeppelin. I mean, who doesn't? If you don't, look at that. That's the artwork. It's got all the albums on there. Super cool. Rolls. That's an epic piece. Like the Led Zeppelin song. Thank you, brother. And now, got a custom that I have not any idea what it is. But it's badass. I can tell you that. My favorite color, eggplant purple. It's got the Monster logo. You know, Monster sponsors my event, so that's freaking awesome. Wow, this thing's just bad to the bone. Beautiful color. Sweet wheels. Got his logo on the bottom. Love that purple. Oh, thanks, dude. I'm so stoked. Cougar. I believe that's what that is. Looks like it. All right. That's it. Good Friday to you guys. Happy hunting this weekend. Jake, thank you so much. Fuck, excuse me. Super stoked. Not for kids. This is Jake, Strictly Diecast. He hooked the brother up with the custom bus, and all the other cool stuff. And that's the great thing about the community when, he saw that I was missing the one and he had it in his area and he grabbed it for me and sent it. That is a perfect example of what this community is all about. And so take care of each other and see you in the next video.